Look at this reel, it's still running. Feels like I have a sea lion. Oh, now we're gonna turn towards it. That should help me. As long as we don't go right at it. There we go. Holy, what a tank. Straight out to sea would work good. Then I'll be at 90 degrees.
Not a very good videotaper, guys.
He's way down deep. Yeah, turn back that way a bit. Bit more, yeah, we're driving towards a bit here. Yeah, I'm turning. This has got to be at least 15 pounds.
Yeah, get her.
Way it ran. Okay, my down hitter's up over there.
It is.
This one. We're driving kind of at it, but that's okay. I'm keeping up with the fish. Oh my God. Hard on the arms. That's nice. It's right out the window now, 90 degrees. It's perfect. I have a nice fish on this time. This one's really big. I don't know how big, but it's big. I'm sure it's over 15 pounds. Probably in the 20s, I'm thinking. We'll soon find out. Okay, that, we may as well just throw that neutral, I guess, eh? No, grab it away from the fish. Perfect.
Camera's going to be all over the place, buddy. You have to do some editing. I like it.
Happiness is bringing in a spring salmon.
Puppy was way down there, eh?
He ran probably 150 yards.
Should be coming up any minute.
Must be down near, out near the surface there now.
Yeah. Oh, there he is.
Just in case I gotta go underneath that in a second.
Okay.
There he goes. He's seen the boat, I think.
Yeah.
Yep. Look at that reel. He wants to go again.
Flasher. He's a honker, man.
4 minutes of video. This is a really good fish.
It is.
My biggest fish of the year. I can guarantee you haven't even seen him yet, but look at that reel. He wants to go the other way again. 100 feet of water.
Ooh, nice fish.
That is a really nice fish.
Yeah.
Close to 20 pounds. Quickly release them. White hoochie. Okay, let's, oh yeah. Okay, let's get a couple of still shots here.